You'll be met with a fork on the road, in the road today, dear Leo. And the fork in the road is teaching you about where your attention and your focus needs to go. And really the lesson for you at the moment is focusing energy and attention on the calm rather than the excitement and the shiny bright lights and, the applause and, all that stuff that has you performing and overperforming in your life, which often leads to exhaustion and burnout. And so focusing your attention on what feels calm, even though it might be boring, but it feels a lot calmer, that's the biggest lesson for the Leos at the moment. But that's what's allowing the nervous system in particular to just be at peace. And part of your nervous system being at peace for the Leos is that your nervous system needs to process what's occurring or what's been happening and so on and so forth. And it can't do the gentle, relaxed processing when your attention is on the exciting and the next big move and the next big thing and the next blah, 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 right? That kind of energy isn't working for you because it forces you to perform. And that's what keeps leading to burnout. But when you're focused on the quiet and the calm, the performance isn't there anymore. And that's where you find peace. And that's where some of your greatest decisions come from.